Not here, man. Show me your fiscal year, I said.
Oh, sure, okay.
OB 29.
OB 29.
Daddy, is your work done yesterday?
Flash and no. That lady who has to give me is she's on a wedding, it says.
Oh,
On a wedding. The wedding season for is over here. Almost started, so it's all.
yeah, I know.
And this then has come again with this slow.
Hey, we'll look into this later, man. Move on.
When? Today?
Yeah, probably. Today or tomorrow we'll look. As per your diesel, how much diesel you hold end of the session.
But why is it that the thing is so slow like that?
Even my system is slow.
I think Seva is
Fast
down.
actually.
Seva is
We'll
down.
see later, man.
Hey, Hadi.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, cool. What are we doing today?
We are doing the toughest part of banking, that is the BRS.
What is BRS?
Electronic
Reconciliation
bank
statement.
reconciliation statement. Okay. First, let us understand the basics of this. What is this BRS? Okay. Amua, you get a bank statement, right?
Yes.
Right. So you get a healthy bank statement every month, right? Only with deposits, not with.
Everything is negative. Red. Overdraft.
So whatever that bank statement you see,
Yeah.
that should map exactly with the bank account GL. Clear? Not clear?
Not clear.
Huh?
Not clear.
Not clear. You know what's a bank statement, right?
Yes.
Do you know what's a bank account GL? What's a bank account GL account over here?
No.
200,000, right?
Oh, okay.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Now it should exactly map with this, whatever the statement is. If the balance in this bank statement says that you owe, that your balance is 100,000, so this should also show 100,000.
Oh, okay.
This is how we'll do is we do it through a reconciliation. We're trying to reconciliation. Bank reconciliation statement. That is what we call it. Clear? Not clear?
Yep. Clear.
Okay. So that is, in order to do this, what we do is we always use an intermediary accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Intermediary account. For example, let's say if a check, let me put this way. When a check is issued, okay, like when we have done the payment, or check issued to vendor, what do we, what was the entry we were entering? Bank, vendor, right? Hello,
Yep.
tell me the entry.
Bank to vendor.
Bank to vendor.
Bank to vendor. So we do not enter like this bank, main bank. This is our main bank. Okay, I'll call like this as a main bank, right? So instead of making an entry this way, we will call this as a here. Okay. What did we enter, man? It is actually vendor is receiving, right? To bank. This is how we used to give, right?
Yep.
Payment made to the vendor.
Yep. So you debit the vendor and then you credit bank.
This is
Yep.
how we used to enter, right, Harshita?
Yeah.
Yep.
Now, instead of this main bank, we will call this, we use an intermediary account called check issued, whatever you call by a name.
Okay.
Vendor to check issued.
Check issue.
This is called as an intermediary account. Okay, same case. In case of a customer, let's say payment received
Okay.
from customer.
Customer.
So what we used to make an entry? We used to make an
Check
entry
issued
like
to
once we are
bank.
receiving bank,
Bank to
yeah,
customer.
to
Customer.
customer.
No check
Now
issued
we
to
will not
customer.
enter like a bank. Instead of that, we will here we will or check received, whatever it is. Payment
Okay.
received
Okay. Sorry. Check received to vendor. Customer.
or check received, whatever you call. So instead of this bank, we call this as a check received or check deposited or whatever you call it. Or deposit. Clear?
Mhm.
Yeah, Moa, clear man till here? Disappear.
I'm here.
Sita, can you?
I'm here.
Okay. Till here it is clear. I am telling you will not understand a single bit if this concept is not clear. I am not telling SAP this. This is all I am trying to teach you BRS over here. Okay.
Mhm.
This is clear now? This is clear, right? Now, at the time when we upload the statement, we get a statement. That's what I told you, right? Bank statement. When I upload the bank statement, I'll come to know that this has been cleared, check issued. Okay. Where it is gone, man?
Drag to right here. Yep.
Okay. When I upload this bank statement, what will happen? This check issued, whatever you're seeing now, this check
It will
issued
debit.
gets debited
To bank.
to bank. So ultimately what is happening? This check
Vendor
issue
to bank.
and this check issue getting
Will get
nullified,
nullified.
vendor to bank. At the time of the upload of the statement, this should come automatically.
Mhm.
Okay. Same case here. Once I upload the statement, what is happening?
Hadi, not clear.
Bank to check receipt.
This side not clear.
Array, you upload the statement. When you got the statement, you will upload it in the SAP.
Okay.
Once you upload in the SAP, this is the journal entry you should give me.
Okay.
So once
By
it-
just uploading, it would automatically do the what do you call it?
journal entry.
This journal entry.
Yes, it
Okay.
should.
So that both of them will get nullified.
So what is
Okay.
happening? This check issue, this check issue. That is why these are called as intermediary clearing accounts. It should get cleared by itself.
Okay.
Then vendor to bank. Okay.
Same bank to
case.
check receipt.
Same thing. Okay. So your bank is receiving
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
whatever you said. Whatever you call. Check received or deposit. Harshita.
Deposited. Yeah.
Whatever you call.
Mhm.
Naming you can give whatever you feel like. Deposit. So same thing happening.
Mhm. Yeah.
Right? Now what in case of a bank charges? When will you come to know bank charges?
Bank charges.
No.
Yeah, when you get your statement, right? It's on
Exactly.
it.
So there is no question of, there is a directly. Once I upload the statement only, directly it should come. There is no entry in the books. All this entry, what you are seeing, this is in the books in SAP, right? This is at the time of statement. So we cannot enter the entry in SAP. It should enter a direct entry from the uploading of the statement like bank charges to bank, right?
Bank.
You got my point. This you will come to know only at the time of bank statement, as Amu was saying. So when I upload the statement, the entry should generate like this automatically.
Yeah.
Clear? 1, 2, 3 entries.
Yes.
Hello?
Yep.
Yeah.
So whenever you are doing a bank statement, you should put down this entry like this and try to understand this. What is happening?
Okay. Hadi, before you move on, can you summarize it again?
This, whatever I am making a bank statement, BRS, we are doing an electronic bank statement. It means we are trying that the bank statement should exactly map with the bank account, GL account, bank GL account. Okay, in order to do that, we always use an intermediary accounts, which are clearing accounts. So in the books or in SAP, whenever we are making a payment to the vendor, in case of a vendor, we do not take the main bank directly. We use an intermediary accounts here. So at the time of the uploading of the statement, this intermediary accounts get cleared by itself.
Okay.
Then you come vendor to bank like this. Same the case in the check deposit also, or check receive from the customer. When you are getting incoming payment. So same thing, bank to customer. Same case for bank charges. Okay.
Yep.
Now check issue is a GL, right?
Yep.
40. Bank is also GL, right? 50.
Yeah,
Yep.
50.
This is also GL, right? 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 So we need to create these GLs, right? 1,
Yep.
2, 3 GLs we need to create, right?
Yep.
So first I'll go ahead and create 3 GLs. Hey, concept clear? What I'm trying to achieve, Amu, are still not clear.
Clear.
K is not here today? Banking. To 5. Create. It's already there, man. 7. Make it a note. This GL what I'm creating. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Kadir.
Sir.
Here.
Yes.
Okay, 2, 7. Okay.
This is check issue.
Check issue. Okay.
Keep making a note. 8. With template. You create wherever you want. It's a clearing
50,000.
GLs. One is check deposit, right?
Deposit here. Next, bank charges.
Okay. 7. Next is
Bank charges.
create expense charges. Done, right? 3 GLs. Okay. And we have used what GL for that? Current account or a savings account? Which one did we use earlier? Automatic payment program.
Current account.
Use current.
Okay. For this we'll use savings account.
Oh.
Okay. So note down this account also. This is my main bank. 2001. So somebody tell me what is the GL accounts we created? This is my main bank, right? It's what? 1, right?
Yep.
Okay. What is check issue?
2407.
7. Check deposit or check received, whatever you call it.
X8.
8. Bank charges 7. This is what I create, right? GL. Now let's start the configuration side. All the configuration is a single screen over here.
Hadi, when we finish this training, how are we going to get you if we have problems?
Mail, through mail.
Okay. Okay. So we do mail and then we set an appointment, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Make a global settings for this electronic bank statement here. First setting. Watch this carefully. Chart of accounts. Continues. First one is what? Create account symbols. Able to recollect what's an account symbol? Anyone? Okay.
Yeah.
What is an account symbol? Anybody able to recollect?
Account symbol.
It is a key which represents
Yeah.
the GL
GL.
accounts. Is the phrase clear?
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll create new entries. So FE10, this is for my main GL. Okay. FE11, this is for check issue.
Oh, okay.
FE12, check deposit. FE13, bank charges. Clear?
Yeah.
So I have created the key, first point over here. It is a key which represents the GL accounts, right?
GL.
I'm saving it.
So this
Yet
key,
this is not representing my GL.
this key you can make it up like whatever key, or it has to be certain way, like FE10, FE11.
No, this depends upon the transactions. How many transactions the business is into. So many transactions you will go ahead and create here. Like interest receipt also will be there, right?
Right.
From the bank.
Mm-hmm.
So depending on the nature of the transactions, you will create these keys. Now these keys, then I'll assign it to the accounts.
No, I'm just saying FE10, FE11, right? So
This user defined.
user defined. Okay. So it has to be this way. Like if I were to create, so if I were to create account, I have to use the same keys.
No, whatever. This is user defined. User
It's
defined
user
means you
defined.
define whatever. Alphanumeric, 1,
Oh, I
2,
see. Okay.
3, whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay. I create using this so that it's easy for me to recollect. That's it. Okay. Accounts. New entries. Account symbol. FE10, right? FE11. FE12. FE13.
18.
This account modifier currency. Do you want to make it specific to any currency? You can make it over here. If you want to make it to a specific. I don't want to make it any specific. GL accounts. So here you will come here 1.
1. Yeah.
Right? See here. We have created all this, right? So copy this. Paste it. Is the phrase clear now?
Yep.
What I wrote? Arshita?
Yeah, it's clear.
Account symbols, it represents your
It represents
GL
GL account.
accounts. Save it. That is the first part. If it is understood, I'll go to the next part. Oh, okay?
Yep.
So, this is the first part. Let's go to the second part. Create keys for posting rules. Okay. Now here creating keys for posting rules is, depending on the transaction. How many business transactions are there? So many keys you will create. Main bank is a transaction or check issue is a transaction?
Main bank. No, check issue is a transaction.
Check deposit is a
Check
transaction.
deposit is a
Bank
transaction.
charges is a
Bank charges are-
transaction.
Yeah.
So depending on the transactions, you will create so many posting keys. Like how I created account symbol, like this I'll create posting keys.
Okay.
Okay. So here I'll say, double click on this, say new entries. So I'll say FE20. Hey, you can do whatever, man. Farhan, you can create whatever you like. So
Okay.
I'll say here, check issue, clearing, whatever you mentioned. Okay. FE, this is what it should clear, na? It should clear also, right? FE21.
Yeah. Check deposit.
Check deposit. Whatever you mentioned, that text, okay? FE22.
Bank charges.
Hadi, are you saying that the first two, the main bank and then the other one, the issue bank, are not transactions? Is Is that what you said?
Yeah, issue is a transaction. There is something happening. It's a business transaction, right? Issue is a business transaction. Deposit is a transaction.
Okay. How about a
Is
charges?
anywhere a bank account is a transaction? It's not.
Oh.
No.
Right. So you, except for main bank, whatever transaction, business transactions are happening, for those you will create a posting key here.
Okay. Okay, gotcha.
Save. Now I'll come to the posting rules. Please make this note, please, someone.
Okay.
Don't get confused between account symbol. Account symbols we created as FE 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yep.
Account symbol, make it a note.
Yeah, this is the posting keys, right?
Yes, brother, make it a note so that
Yeah.
you know further there should not be any confusion between when I say a posting key and an account symbol.
Yeah.
Yep.
You know, we got you covered, man.
Okay.
Kadir, you should have.
Now I'm going to this posting.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying you should have
Go ahead,
basically
go ahead.
instead of FE, you should have made it like FA in posting rule, and so in that way we can differentiate better. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, whatever, man. You can.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to the defined posting rules here. For this, whatever this rule we created, right? This is called as a posting key. For this, I need to define a rule, right? There's a rule, right, for this.
Yeah.
We said something for this, right? Check issue. This should do something, right, when it's upload.
Yeah.
Hello. What it should
It's
do?
nullified.
New entries. I'm calling that posting key. Which is the posting key?
Okay.
FE20.
FE20.
Right. For this, I need to define a rule, right? The rule is, what did we say? What it should do? It should debit the check
It should
issue
get
and
nullified.
credit the bank. Right?
Yeah.
So 40. I'm calling my account symbol. What is the account symbol for check issue?
FE11.
50.
Kadir,
What is the account symbol for
FE11.
main bank?
You wrote down TE11.
Kadir, FE11
Oh, sorry.
and FE12.
Clear?
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Yeah. It's clear.
So this is what? It's a GL, right? Both are GL, right? For the GL, what's the document type?
SA.
Yeah, Kadir, hold on. Yeah, the debit you have FE11, then the credit you have FE10. What's that for?
That is what I told you, brother. Note it down. Did you note it down on the piece of the paper?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, I noted down. No, I noted down because we have FE10, FE11, FE12, FE13, right? Right.
But what is FE10? You tell me now if you have noted down.
What is FE10?
What
But
is
we
that
didn't
FE10?
note it. It's an account symbol, right? But we didn't
But
say.
what is that account symbol? Tell me.
Account
FE10
symbol of
stands for
main
what?
bank.
Hold on,
What?
Archita. Hold on. What is FE10 stands for?
Man. It's a transaction, right? Right?
That is what I told you, brother. Listen to me when I'm saying something. Note it down means you need to check. Okay. FE10. That is what I again need to go back again. That is the reason. For the account symbols, we said FE10, which stands for main bank. Right? Hello.
I'm here.
FE11, which stands for check issue. FE12, which stands for check deposit.
Deposit, yeah.
Please note down. FE13, which stands for bank charges. Right. Then we created what? Posting keys. FE20.
Yeah, FE20.
FE20 is for what? Amua,
Yes, Kadi.
you're still a child, man.
FE21 is for deposit.
The reason why I tell you to note down is, I know because this is so confusing, but you will take for granted saying that, okay, this is very easy, I'll get it.
Okay.
Okay, this is your symbol. This is account symbol. This is your posting key. Okay, now for this, I need to, when this is a posting key, for this I need to define a rule. What is the rule? The rule said that we will check issue to bank. 40, 50. So FE20 is my posting key. This is the posting key.
Yeah.
Or they called there as a rule. Here.
Oh.
So FE20. So for this FE20,
okay.
what did we say? For this I'm defining a rule. What is the rule we said? Over here, again go back. At the time of the uploading of the statement, it should debit the check issue and credit the bank.
Oh, okay.
So 40,
Okay.
50.
Okay.
Account symbol is FE11, FE12, which represents your GL.
Okay. FE
Clear?
FE10 or FE12? What are you?
FE12, huh? Amua, which one you said?
Yeah, because we said check issue is FE11. So it should be FT12, right?
FE12 is what?
The deposit. Okay. Man, this is confusing.
Check issue. Not only confusing. This is it will take a hell out of you. The moment I go a little bit further, you will go out of sorts completely. So
Because
stay with me on a constant
Okay.
basis. Stay with
Okay.
me. Don't leave. Stay
Okay.
constant.
Okay.
Okay. So this is nothing but this account symbols are nothing but your GL accounts.
Yeah.
This is your GL accounts. So for this check issue, I'm defining a rule. The rule is that what we said in the update the statement, this is what it should do. So that is what I'm putting here.
Okay. So FE20 said check issue, right? So we debit bank, right?
We not debit bank, we'll debit check issue. Again, I need to go back to the basic again. What did we say at the time of the payment to the vendor? What is the entry we will do?
Vendor to check issue.
Why do we use check issue?
Because we are going to what do you call it?
Money is going
We're
out.
going to
Actually, all the time we were doing vendor to bank. Right? Whenever we are making payment to the vendor. Am I right or wrong? This is what you are doing.
Yeah, correct.
Now this is gone. We will not use to bank. We will use check issue.
And the reason why we
why are we using check issue? That is my question to you. Why are we using? Why not bank directly?
I think we are using that to do the clearing, right?
No. Are you sure that the vendor has cleared the check? You are not sure, right? You will come to know only when you receive the bank statement.
Yeah.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Amua,
Right. You're
when
right.
you issue a check to the vendor, brother, do you think the vendor has cleared the check or not? Will you come to know immediately once you
No.
issue the check?
No, when you get yours.
Maybe he'll deposit, maybe he'll not deposit for whatever date you have given. Maybe he'll deposit later, right? You'll not come to know.
Yeah.
So that is the reason we use check issue over here.
Okay, got it. Okay.
This is as an intermediary GL accounts clearing.
Okay.
Then at the time of the upload of the statement, once I come to know that the check has been cleared, then I use the check issue to bank.
Okay.
So this and this get nullified. Ultimately, it is the same vendor to bank only.
Yes.
So this is how the bank statement gets mapped with your BRS.
Okay.
Bank statement gets mapped with a bank GL account.
Okay.
Okay. Now this I have defined a rule for this check issue. Okay. Now here, see what's this? Now this posting area. It is for bank accounting, right, Arshita?
Yeah.
Not top ledger. Bank accounting.
Yeah.
SA. Now, when I say 40, 50, okay, here, see here. Now, it should post to the GL or no?
No.
It should post to the GL,
Clearing
right?
thing, so no.
No. Posting type should be post to GL, right?
Yeah, it should be posted here.
It should post, na?
Yeah, it should
Hello?
post to the jail.
Should it or should not post? This one should post or not? This should update to the GL, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
what because to bank it should, yeah.
So post to
Yeah.
GL.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, when you post to the GL, it is posted. Now this should get cleared also, right? Automatically this should clear.
Yeah,
This
it
should not
should get cleared also.
remain there in the open item, right? This should get nullified by itself.
Yeah.
Amua.
Yes. Yes.
One thing is clear. You said post to GL. I'm fine with that. It is post, but it should clear what? It should clear the credit
Yes.
side,
Okay.
right? It should clear. It should clear the credit side or the debit side.
It
The-
should clear
the-
debit side.
Why the
It
debit
should
side?
clear the debit side.
I didn't understand why is debit side. Can you explain?
Because in the debit side, now this is
Okay.
I mean, debit should get nullified, so.
Okay.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So see, if I'm giving here 4 and press enter, see, it giving an error message stating what?
Oh,
Do not enter posting. Okay, on the debit
So
side.
dude, you don't enter them because the system is telling I take care, so don't enter them. That's it.
okay.
Okay, I'll save it. Gone. Next. Now I have to do it for what? This is done. This rule is done now. This is done. Now I need to do for check
Check
deposit.
deposit.
Yeah.
So FE 21.
Mm-hmm.
Save. Area bank accounting. Posting key 40. You should tell me what should come 40 and what should come 50 now.
Six. Good.
Watch this. Check issue to bank is over. Now bank to check deposit or receive. Bank is FE 10.
10,
Right. This is FE
12.
12. Good. Document type SA.
Let's see.
Now posting type will
Mostly
be what?
credit side. Credit side.
Hey, Karim,
Eh.
this is crazy. Let's go back and check the account symbols.
This is crazy.
Yeah. Ah.
It's simple, man. You're getting confused. Don't say account symbol. Say GL accounts these are.
Okay, GL account. Okay, but you said GL account, right? You said
Yeah.
bank. Okay, so we are check deposit F12, and then F11 check issue.
Right. I'm calling this again.
So check issue and then bank.
Now I'm doing for check this one.
Okay, so this is bank to check deposit. Okay, so
That is what we did. See, bank to check deposit.
okay.
Now we have to clear the credit side. Earlier for the debit side, now for the credit side. So same thing. Do not enter on the credit side. Save it. Next. FE22. Hold on, Archita. Don't say. Amua.
Okay.
This is for what? Bank charges, right?
Yes, bank accounting.
Tell me what is the entry for bank charges? This is the entry.
Yeah, that's the entry. That's 4050. Bank charges to bank.
Now what is bank charges? Account symbol?
Okay, so go down. Let me tell you, bank charges.
Hey, I told you to note it down.
Yeah,
Not
FE13.
FE13. What is the main bank?
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
FE10.
It's
FE10.
FE10. Okay.
Okay. This entire lot, I need to put it in one rule. We define one rule for it.
Yeah.
Right? This is the rule.
FE22.
P22. So
Yeah,
this
you
is
could
FE22.
have explained it this way, right?
Then what was I explaining, man, all this while? This is the same thing I'm telling. Once you understood, then you say, okay, this is the way, it's fine.
So FE10. Oh.
Bank charges, debit. You only said over here now.
Oh,
See?
yeah. Okay, yeah. FE13, yep.
FE10. You need some almonds, you know. In India, we say you should need some almonds.
What does that
Get your
mean?
brain working. Farhan eats a lot, I suppose.
Yeah, I do. But I'm still not as smart as Amua.
It is better you take almonds, dip it in the water, keep it in the
I
water, and
think
then have it in the
I
morning.
think Harshita is the superstar in this class. She's a superstar.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, I'm not.
She is.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're a vegetarian, Harshita?
Yeah.
That's good.
That is the reason.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, man, I am a pure non-veg.
Yeah, I'm turning
Can't
into.
live without that.
Oh, I'm turning into vegetarian
can't.
now. I used to eat a lot of meat, but I'm cutting down a lot.
Oh, that's actually good.
Yeah.
I don't know, man, but I can't live without that. Barbecue, it's must for every 2 days for me.
Oh my god.
I can't. But along that, I have a lot of fruits also. All right. Next. Now tell me, is there a clearing required here? Anyway?
No.
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 No. So directly post to GL. Simple.
That's
Okay.
supposed to be.
There. If this is understood, means you know how to do this. BRS then.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so look at the other two, right? One of them we cleared to the debit side, the other one we cleared to the credit side, right?
Right.
Can you go up and explain that a little bit for me?
Nothing, man. If you do not clear, then it will lie in the open item. Then you have to do manual clearing. Remember our report FBL 3N.
Yep, FDL3, yep.
What will happen if you do not enter that as a post to GL, then it will lie in the open item, then you need to clear it manually.
But my question is, why is it that one of them we cleared it on the debit and then one of them we cleared it on the credit?
Now you tell me here, which is the one we need to clear? Debit, na? See here. This should clear, right? That is what we said, right?
Okay, so the check issue is okay, got it. It's on the debit side, and then the check deposit and the credit side. Okay, gotcha.
Right. This is what we said, right?
I got it. I get it. Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
and now we understand. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you understand.
Yeah.
Phew. All right.
Asset accounting is giving me a headache, you know.
Okay, next. Now next part. Most irritating part. Come here. Create transaction type.
Transaction
Okay.
type. Okay.
I saved it now. Yeah. New entries. Like a variant. Just like a variant. See? I'm creating a variant. We created so many variants, right? Posting period variant and all this. Just a variant. Okay. To this variant, I'm assigning the external transaction types. Okay. Now these external transaction types, you will have it in the bank statement. Okay. Like for example, let's say you have a T. What is that number I have used? It's actually come in a numerical value. This transaction types. Okay. Hello.
Yep.
Instead of that, FE1. Actually, it will come like this, Harshita. 100 for check issue. Getting my point?
Yeah, I do remember.
So it's
Well, the second thing you have shown us 100 to 10.
No. Yeah, exactly that way. But these external transaction types will be given by the bank, not by us.
Okay.
The bank will have one external transaction type. They will say, okay, this 100 stands for check issue, 101 stands for check deposit.
Okay, got it.
Okay, something like that. Okay, so I'll say, I'll keep new FE1. I'll keep like this. Okay. So check issue, which value? Positive value, negative value? Issue means
Credit.
check issue.
Positive.
Negative.
issue is
Negative.
positive.
No, issue because you are
Negative.
issuing negative.
Negative.
And then check
One
issue.
out.
Yeah, it's going
No.
out.
So next, here you will assign your rule, posting rule. You define rule, right?
Yeah.
Where is that one? FE20, FE2 check deposit plus
Positive.
FE21,
21.
FE3 negative,
Bank charge.
FE22. Clear till here?
Hold on. Hold on. FE3, why is it negative? Is it?
Bank charges.
Bank charges. It's going out.
Oh,
Bank
okay.
charges. Okay.
Okay.
Now I have a question to you people. I raise an invoice. My invoice is getting cleared based on what? How the system is
Based on
understanding to
something
clear a
you-
particular invoice?
You bought something, right?
Is my question clear? I raised an invoice. I'm clearing that invoice. That invoice is getting cleared based on what? There's
Based
some
on,
logic, right?
based
It's
on
just
the,
not clearing just like that, right?
the purchase order, like a statement.
Based on the bill, purchase order receipt.
Where did we did purchase order? We are not yet even done, right? Here I'm telling about the clearing. Clearing, payment. How it's getting cleared? Alright?
Through bank charges.
What is this, man? If I want to clear anything in my,
Hello?
Oh,
I can hear
through
you.
GL.
Not GL. How it is getting cleared? What is that, man? Account? How it is getting cleared? How will you clear this? Through this document number.
I'm sorry. Yeah, through document number.
Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's based on document number, yeah.
What, man? We are coming to an end. People are making a mess of it. Are you able to
Thinking
get
of
that,
something
Amua?
else.
Amua?
He's on the phone.
This is on the phone. Okay, fine. Good. That is on the phone. Okay. Interpretation algorithm. So here that we say. So how does the system should identify again was it should clear? See here. Against the document number, against the check, how it should clear? Right?
Yep.
When you're uploading that statement, it should go and touch base with certain things, right? When I'm clearing like this, see, when I'm clearing this particular account, right? This account should get cleared, right? How? How it should identify? There should be some link between this, right? Either based on the check issue number or a document number or a reference document number, whatever it is, you decide over
Yeah,
here.
whatever it is.
So as of now, I'll just say standard algorithm.
Oh, okay.
Whatever it is, it will pick. Clear? Clear.
Yeah.
Next, whatever transaction types we have created, we have need to assign it to the bank accounts. We created, right, that variant.
Yeah.
That variant need to be assigned to the
Yeah, sorry guys.
new entries. Now I need the bank key. I don't know what's the bank key. So I go to FI12. I need to pick up the bank key. This is the bank key. I give the bank key. What account we said we will use?
Current account.
Current account we
Savings.
said, right?
We said
Savings
savings.
will use. Okay,
Yeah.
we'll use savings. Fine.
Okay.
So
Because
I'll
we
use the
used
savings account.
check-in on the other one.
So
Yes.
I need to use the savings account here. Account.
Yeah.
Is the account. Okay.
Okay.
1 second. Savings account number I have to use, right, over here? Yeah. Yeah, that is the bank number. Account. Currency will not use. Transaction type we created by what name? one variant we created, right? F500. Company code F. Just an assignment. Hello.
Yeah.
Save it. Done.
F500.
Everything is done. Somebody please note this transaction types FE1, FE2 and FE3.
Hold on, let me write it down.
And opposite to that, please note it down. FE1 is for your check issue, check deposit, FE2,
Okay.
FE3 bank charges.
Yep, yep.
Hold on.
Okay.
All right, FE1. Check.
Done. Yeah. FE1, FE2, FE3.
FE2. What is FE2? Check what?
Deposit.
Deposit. Okay. And then charges FE3. FE3 charges.
So this is more relevant to banking. All this is more relevant to banking. You need to collect the details from the bank to get this done.
Okay.
Testing. In order to test this, first I'll raise a vendor invoice. Right? This is what I have to raise, right? This. Hello?
Yep.
Yep.
So I'll say slash and F dash 43. So let's put this date only, no? What is wrong? Enter. 12,000. See, I'm putting 12,000. Okay. Hello.
Yep.
40. First raise the vendor invoice. What is the vendor purchases? Yeah. No, use the same date. Save it. Okay, now I have to make the payment, right? Hello. Now you tell me what should do with the payment. What account here? What is the account here?
2001. Oh,
Check
sorry.
issued, not the main bank.
2207. 2207.
FE1.
Where is FE1 came, man?
20007.
This is F-43. We did the purchases
Oh.
to vendor.
Very fun.
Okay. Now I'm making the payment. As we said, whenever I make a payment, Harshita, I will not make a payment through bank. I'll use check issued, intermediary account.
Yeah, 24007.
So what is the check issued?
20007.
7. What is the amount? 12,000.
12,000.
I'm sorry, Kadir. 20007 is an intermediary account.
Yes, it's an
Okay.
intermediary account.
Okay.
Enter. See, against this document type, always clearing will be against the document. This is how you will identify. Document, simulate, save it. See, now it's a check issue.
Yeah, got
Done?
it.
Now let us look at the line item report. FBL 3N 2007. So it is an open item. Right? Hello?
Yeah, excellent. Yeah,
So once I upload the statement, it should go to the
clear.
Yeah.
cleared item.
Hello.
So let's upload it now. So I have just bought one sample file to upload this. Okay, don't think this file you will manipulate. This file will be given by the bank, you'll just upload it. I am just changing it manually to show you people how it works. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
Sure. Okay.
I'm copying this and close this. Control V.
So
So in
when
the line 1, I need to give a bank key. This is the bank key.
Okay.
Okay. So my bank key is different, right?
Yeah, your bank is different.
Okay. Hey, don't say that, you know, this is how you do it. Okay. This is not the one. Okay. I'm just changing it over here in order to run this to show you.
Okay.
This is the bank key.
Mhm.
Then in the date is in YYMMDD format. So this is
Okay.
what date we entered. This is 14. So today is also
14.
14. Hey, Valentine's Day, man. Today. Good.
yeah.
I remember today. Okay. That is why Amu is getting a lot of calls. I don't know. From the
So this is how you get information from the bank, right?
Yeah, so I'm just changing it over here, so you will not change like this. I'm changing it manually over here.
So the bank give you this information for SAP format. In other words, SAP would understand what that all means.
Yeah. I'm telling you, those are different formats. I'll tell you those formats.
Okay.
After this, I'll tell you over here. Okay. Now this is the bank account number. This one, third one. Okay. Now I have to go back and pick up the bank account number. So we said savings, right? So here you give the savings. Clear? Now here can you see this is the external transaction type. What is the transaction type? Somebody has wrote it for check issue.
FE1.
Good. FE1. Okay. See, I gave it FE1. So minus 12,000, whatever it is I gave. Let us see what it throws. Okay. Error. Clear till here?
Yep. What question? What is the KV up there? KVZ285878. What is that here?
I don't know, man. This is the file. I just picked up a sample file and I'm trying to show you.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Just trying to show you. This is a text if you want to put up like this. Okay. Whatever it is. So remove this all. Save this file. Okay. I'm saving it on the desktop. So this file will come and sit in this transaction code AL11 in the real time here.
Oh, okay.
From this AL11, you'll double click from wherever it is. You'll try to click on this and try to upload it. Okay, like this. I don't know. It will sit here. Now we'll run the front end execution of the file. So now somebody has the format of that file. I want to explain.
Hold on. Did you upload it?
No, I have not uploaded yet.
Okay.
I can hear you very well, Harry.
FF_5. Note down.
Okay.
We are trying to import, right?
Yeah.
These are the formats. Run.
Okay.
You need to check with the bank.
Right.
Okay. The format of that file. The format of the file which I am using is called as a BAI format.
Okay.
Okay. What is BAI format? BAI format. BAI stands for Bank Administration Institute. It's Bank Administration Institute. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Performing electronic cash management.
I don't know. You have so many formats over here.
Okay.
Multi-cash 95. This MT940. Basically, they'll use it in US.
Okay.
Swift transfers.
No, MT940 format international. It depends. So as of now, I'm using BAI format. Pick up the file. Watching Amua. Desktop. This file, see, picked up. We are loading it from the upload, right? We are uploading it. Select this. Okay. Now select all this. You want to see execute in the background. No, I want to print statement, all this, whatever you see. Okay, for output. Clear? Hello?
Yep.
Now I'll save it as a variant, this one. I don't want to enter it again and again. You save it. I'll call this as F500.
So if you want to save it, you just click on the save and the
Yeah.
variant will come. Okay.
Variant will come. You need to save it. Now next time I will not enter all this stuff again and again. Okay,
Okay.
I'll just say F500 automatically will come. Now I'm executing it. See.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm executing it. I'll say allow. See, it says error, man. Some error it is showing. There are no open items managed for 2007. Something like that is saying.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
I mean, it's,
I mean, there is an open item, right?
We made one big mistake. No, that should be created as an open item.
oh,
Oh, we did not create as the open item, right? Because while doing in FS00.
Now you see this error. Now can I change this to open item? What's this?
Okay.
Can I change this? See, it will allow.
I
Let's see.
think you'll not be able. Oh,
It will not allow.
it will not allow. Yeah. Why? Because it has posted already.
So what should we do then?
Create one more.
Okay. Let's say I created one more as you're saying. Let's go as per Harshita.
Okay.
9 with template 7. Okay,
So why you have 7 and 9?
right Harshita?
You have different.
Why I'm creating 9 you're saying?
No, you have 9
just for
yeah.
No, he copied
creating
with,
another one.
all the credentials of
From 7. Okay, I got it. Okay, sorry. Yes.
Okay, 9.
Mhm.
Now what else I should do Harshita? 9 is done. Next.
I think in create bank interest also. I mean, do you need to change that field status group?
No, why do I need that? You think this is enough?
Something should be there. I forgot.
Huh? Is this
Something
enough?
else also is there, I forgot.
Your account symbol changes. Harshita,
Yeah. Now we need to, post the invoice again.
all these things you need to take care, right?
Yeah.
Your account symbols also changes right here.
Oh, right. Everything needs to be updated to 9.
That's it. This is updated to 9. Next, what else? Nothing change in the posting keys, posting rules, nothing over here. Right? Now I need to run one more invoice.
Yeah, one more invoice again.
Cost element.
/n f dash
It's
43
KA01.
KA01.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Save it. Clearing it.
Yeah, now I think it'll be able to go. After minutes.
Now it will be 9, right?
No, it will be 9.
12,000. Document, simulate. Clear?
Simulate.
Save. Now I need to upload this statement, right? Again.
Yeah.
So if I upload this statement, see what it says.
And that is what? Number range.
FF_05. No, what was that? Huh? FF_5.
Okay.
So I'll call the variant.
Yeah, F500, you have already saved it.
F500. So automatically everything is done. So now I'll execute. See this.
execute
What
loud.
it is?
account statement already exists.
Yeah, we already uploaded, right, this statement, so it will throw an error, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
We
we,
are uploading again. Hello?
the one we did, we got an error, right?
Yeah, that is what it's telling.
We couldn't. Yeah.
No, you
So
have to
if we got
understand
an,
this. The same statement cannot be uploaded twice, right, Harshita?
Yeah.
no, but
So-
Hadi,
Yeah, go ahead.
Change the
yeah, the same
statement
statement
name.
cannot be uploaded twice. But the question is that the first time we uploaded, we got a mistake, right? So it didn't even go in the system, right?
Exactly. It did not go into the statement. But over here, the statement has to be changed. The number, it says it's already done. So how do we delete that is, go to /NSE38.
Okay.
Note down this, REFEBKA 96, this program.
RFEBKA. Okay.
RFE
So now we've done a good issue.
KA 96.
Are we not? No.
Execute.
We
Okay, now this is what? Electronic bank statement, right? What we are doing?
Yeah. Electronic bank statement.
Execute. Now can you find out from, deselect all, can you find out your statement from
Yeah, last 175th.
select this, delete. Now you come back and upload.
the movement type.
Now let us see what errors we will get. Hello. What it says, see in the, again it's throwing an error.
263. The difference is too large.
So it is picking how much? 1200 only,
1200.
whereas we gave 12,000, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So again you go back to this sheet. Why I am showing you this error is, this is how you will get in the real time. Hello.
Yeah.
Yep.
So what I'll do, I'll increase one more zero here.
Wait. Oh, okay.
And save it. Back.
But the thing is that more than 12,000. So why?
It's not more than 12,000, man. It's a decimal signs. Hello.
Open it. Let's see.
Okay.
Amount by default 30 signs. You need to enter.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now I have corrected this one statement. Now I am uploading it again. But if I want to upload again, it will not upload, right?
No, you
Yeah,
have to
that's
do it
correct.
The
again.
statement. Yeah.
Yep.
SC38.
Yep.
Use the program. Execute.
Hey, Hadi,
Huh.
you have to send us that file, right? So if we practice,
Yeah.
we can all.
Yeah. I'll do it, man. Yes. Back.
Okay. Now again.
Now you upload again. What it should do after uploading? Once it's upload, what it will do?
It should give the other entry. It should
Enter.
nullify
What is the entry it should
bank.
give? Check
Check
issue.
issue to bank.
To bank. This is the entry it should give. All the variant. Execute. Allow. Finally, document posted, Manamu.
Yeah, document 11 was posted.
Man, today I'm dead, man.
Every day you're dead, man.
Not today. Today I've lost.
303. Let's see the document number 11. Got it?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, savings to check. Yeah, got it.
Okay. Now let us look at the line item report. ABL 3N.
Fayan, are you there?
Disappear.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Check issue. Nothing in open, see?
Yeah, nothing is. It should be in
Because
clear,
we
no?
said clear the debit side.
Yeah,
So
clear.
that is why it has got the cleared and came over here. Cleared automatically.
Yeah, got it.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
That's why this is a tough nut to crack.
Yeah, this is really a tough nut to crack. Good night.
But it's nice. It's quite interesting.
No, Achita, it's not interesting. This is just too cumbersome.
Yeah. I agree, man, on that.
No, I used to like BIS, so
Yeah. Yeah. Are we done?
Yeah, I'm done. So tomorrow I'll be
No.
taking, tomorrow there's a session, so I'll be taking profit center and document splitting. Both I'll be taking it.
Okay, but can you spend time on with my asset accounting thing?
Yeah, I'll spend, man, but your system is too slow. Okay.
Kadir,
Check
is
with that.
banking, is banking
It's
done?
working now fast. Is it fast now? Hello? Can you hear me, Amua? Arshita, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I don't know, where is he gone?
Maybe he's
Amor?
checking.
Here, if my system is fast now, it's not slow.
No.
It's fast.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Kadir, are we done with banking?
I
Huh?
need to get out of here. My wife is too noisy.
Are we done with banking?
Yeah, we're done, no?
Okay.
All we done, no? Automatic check management, electronic house banks.
Management design, yeah, everything is done.
So only part left is now your profit center with the new GL. Okay. Hopefully 2 sessions, your entire syllabus will be over.
No, don't say that. Give us time in between for errors.
Hopefully. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes. I'm here now.
okay. Hopefully another 2 sessions. Probably tomorrow, let's see whether we can check on that. So tomorrow I'll be taking on the profit center and the new GL. First I'll pull up the profit center, then I...
Did we do reports for internal order? Yeah.
We did, no, and all those reports we pulled up, right?
Kadir, did we do posting of sales returns?
Sales returns are those only, na? You have done that credit memos and debit memos, right?
Oh, okay, those are following.
But Hadi, have we done FI integration? Oh no, SD. FISD. We've not done that yet, right?
This is what your sheet says. See,
Oh.
we spend a lot of time on this.
Okay. Alright. Cool.
Kadir, then what is this defining correspondence and party statements of accounts?
Where?
Defining correspondence and party statements of accounts.
Correspondence is nothing but your output. What we have seen, right? F110 underscore AVIESIN. Output.
No, we have not seen them actually. You didn't show us.
We have seen, I shown you in the banking, right? Output, invoice. Correspondence means your output. In the dunning also we have seen it.
Kadir,
Okay,
how,
I'll show you now. That's not a big one. Okay, yeah.
Kadir, how long did it take you to learn all that when you were starting off?
When I started, I don't know even the full form of SAP when they hired me.
Okay. Oh, really? So how did you learn?
I was just as an accountant. One of my friend was a project manager in this company.
Mm-hmm.
So he was taking sessions in one of the institute in Hyderabad. So I used to just go to meet him in the
Okay.
evening once he is done with the sessions.
Okay.
So after my job as an accountant, I used to go to his place. He used to say, okay, come and sit now. We'll wait for half an hour and then we'll go. I just used to sit in the last bench of the class and used to just listen to that session.
Wow.
Then I started recollecting, oh, this is an accountsman, what you're teaching, I told him.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then he told me, if that's an account, so he said, okay, join me as a
Mm-hmm.
shadow resource, he said. I don't know
Okay.
even what is that shadow resource. Then I joined as a shadow resource. Then there I worked like anything. And from there I started picking up.
So how long did it take you on the platform, I mean on the SAP, to be ready on the job?
Yeah, so that took me 6 to 7 months it took me.
Mm-hmm.
6 to 7 months.
Okay, so you were
Spending
practicing
around 10 to 12 hours per day.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Wow.
wow, great.
That's
10 to 12
dedication.
hours.
12 hours per day. That's it.
10 to 12 hours. What were you
Get up in
doing?
the morning, it is SAP. When you sleep, it's SAP.
I know 10 to 12 hours is SAP only,
Okay,
right?
but I was not married. Remember, but I was not married.
Mm-hmm. Wow. It's amazing.
That's
After
how
that,
I
I
did
do agree. Before marriage, we can learn anything. After that, it's not possible.
Yeah,
Hadi.
man. Yeah,
Are you going to do the asset with me today or tomorrow?
it's up to you, man. You'll do it.
No.
Calm down.
Yeah, let's do it. Today I'm serious, man.
You said bye.
And Kadir, One more.
No, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I just ask you one question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, while doing this, asset accounting today, I'm not able to, what is that, scrap partial. I mean, I'm able to scrap the asset partially, but I'm not able to, do it full.
You should be able to do it. What's the error?
I'm not able to do the full. I got some errors, so I thought I'll show you later.
Yeah, maybe
Maybe
scrapping.
tomorrow I'll show that.
Scrapping, yeah, scrapping. You want to scrap complete amount, then that complete amount will be a loss.
Yeah, I know. But when I'm doing for partial, I'm able to do it. But totally, when I'm trying to do it, it's saying like you're not allowed to do that or something. It's giving some error.
Yeah, maybe you
I
need
I'll
to
show you
check the
tomorrow.
control. Maybe somewhere there's a control on that.
Yeah, I think. Even I thought, but I tried to see, I couldn't get it.
You should understand the concept very well. Once you understand the concept only, then you should know, okay, what will happen. Most people, like, it's huge. Like, if you go and ask, somebody says it's scrapping possible in SAP, somebody says no, it's not possible. So it is it is something you should have a knowledge. So you, at least you people have gathered from the perspective of whether what is possible, what is not possible.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm ready.
Go, man, go ahead.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see that error. Come on.
Go to the error first. Go to the error.
Yeah, go to the arrow.
Somebody wants to leave, can leave.
No, even I'll see the error. I think
Yeah,
OB29 and OB52 are to be changed.
Kavita is not in today, and also our good
K
friend
is not.
K is also not there.
I don't know how Kate does it, man. That's
Now I'll be learning PS module, project systems.
Oh, good.
Oh, nice.
what is PS system?
Project.
Oh, you be teaching that, or you are?
No, I am assigned into that project now.
Oh, okay. Good job. I says you cannot post to this thing. Can you see?
Okay. Can you just show me that master data once?
Where's asset accounting?
No, man, master data AS02.
AS02 you can directly type in.
No. So why do we create
AS02?
Yeah,
Slash N.
AS02.
Slash N.
Why do we
Oh,
create
yes, slash N AS02.
To know
Give your result.
One.
Oh, AS01?
No, man, in the asset you need to give one, right? The asset number
Asset.
1.
Okay.
That's it. Enter.
Okay, go to the depreciation area. Okay, fine. Close this.
okay.
Go to the error message.
Okay.
I thought maybe he needs to see in that OB29 fiscal year variant or something.
Yeah, 1 second. Double click on that. You cannot post to asset. Okay. Now can you go to that OB29? Keep the screen as it is. Don't close this.
Okay. OB29, right? 5-year variant. Do I remember? Don't remember that. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Select that.
Show me which is that. Yours is. Show the periods.
Go to periods. Double click.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, go to OB52 now.
He needs to change the posting periods now.
I'm just checking. You create a new. Why don't you create that starts from 2014, man? One more.
Yeah, he can also
enter.
create and link it, right? Directly. It's
Enter.
No.
Go.
No. Go back. Can you go back and
Go to the variant.
Okay.
Give the variant.
your posting period variant.
Oh, posting period variant.
Just put a backspace. Don't do that.
Okay.
But
Close it, man. Just put a space bar on your space bar.
okay.
Which is the one?
Maybe
A10,
that
yeah.
one.
Maybe that one.
Mhm.
1 to 12, 13, 16. Okay, fine. Now can you go to AJRW/N?
And AJRW.
W, yeah.
Never heard this before. What is that for? AJRW.
Give the company code.
Okay.
It says you cannot post, right? In 2013,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Put there, new fiscal year
Give your
2013.
fiscal year also.
Exactly.
Put it in
Execute.
test run, execute.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
TML.
It's in test run.
Mm. Online processing is limited to about.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, back.
Back. Okay.
Uncheck and do it in the real run now.
1550.
What is that?
Done?
It just came out.
It just came out.
Do it again. Uncheck test run.
Uncheck test run and
Okay, background, man. Do it in the background.
Do
Close
that.
it.
Okay.
okay, from program,
Again,
right?
do it again.
Okay.
Click on program and background job. Yeah, got it.
That's it.
Okay.
I don't know why it is telling
Uncheck
because the
test
server
run.
has moved into.
And go to program.
Where's the program?
Menu bar, program.
Menu.
Huh?
Menu, man, on the top.
On the top.
Menu.
Okay. Okay.
And
Execute in
execute
background.
in background.
What is that supposed to mean?
Continue. Immediate. On top. Save it. Save it below.
After check there is one
Save.
save. No, after check. Yeah. Save.
What is it that we are doing here?
Hold on. Go to SM37/N
M
37.
/NN.
Okay.
/N
SM
37.
37. Here you will check the background jobs.
Oh.
Execute.
No. You need to give that. Okay, it's start.
No, execute. Let it. You'll give the job name there, but it will give you all the jobs.
Yeah, this is the one.
This one?
Select that. Select that.
RAJA.
What?
Select this. No,
This
it
one?
is released already.
Select
It is released already.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the job log once.
On top.
Okay. Now try to post.
Try to post
Once.
again.
Because there is
Oh.
one more transaction. Acha, go to /n OAAQ.
Slash here or the other
N
place.
N N
Uh-huh.
/n O for orange.
Mm-hmm.
AAQ. AAQ.
Q.
What is this for, Kadir? OAQ?
You have a dog?
I'll tell you. Go to position.
Okay.
Company code.
Oh, I saw your dog.
Continue.
The neighbor's dog.
Right, it is 2011. It says what, man, over here? Give 2013.
Okay.
2012 you give here.
2000.
12 you give.
12. Okay.
Save it.
Okay, closed one. Earlier one. Okay.
Okay. It's fine. 2 years will be open. Okay.
No.
That's fine. That's fine.
2011
No, that's
is
fine.
okay.
Okay. Just go ahead and now run that. /n, whatever you're doing, post it. /n.
Okay.
F-90.
Yeah. /n.
F-90.
F-90.
Hey, what I expect is go ahead and create another company code which starts from January, man, 2014.
Okay.
And I don't know why your posting date is saying 2012 over there.
Yeah, I don't know too. Okay.
Yeah, that's true. Posting it is 12.
Telling
Back
12.
date.
Because if I have 2011 over there, I don't see.
I mean,
I don't know why you're getting all the 12
have
and
given
all.
all the backdate things. I mean, they have generated with the backdate.
I don't know. You just go ahead and create a new company code rather than getting into. You will keep on facing issues on the dates there.
So create a different company code.
Yeah, which is starting from 2014.
But I can go back into my company code and change the fiscal year.
No,
right?
no, you cannot. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
You need to follow.
10.
Holy crap! Look at the work we had to do for just one entry. Oh. Okay. So it worked out.
Put it went through now.
All right, guys, got to go. My breakfast is
Yeah.
ready. But need
Yeah.
to
So
go.
what was the issue?
The issue is this is one of the year-end activity.
Okay.
Okay, when you are going from one year to another year, you will do this transaction code, AJRW.
Okay. HARW.
Okay, probably I'll send you across tomorrow, or remind me. I'll send you across month-end and year-end activities for asset accounting.
Oh yeah. You know we haven't done that, right? We haven't
I
done
think
that.
we haven't done that right, Kadir.
Yeah.
There are three transaction codes. That's it. Not much.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Kadir.
Bye. Bye.
All right. So another
Bye,
two
guys.
sessions we are done, man. Amua.
What's that?
Another 2 sessions we are done, hopefully.
Okay. All right.
Let me
Bye.
check if I have some more doubts.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, guys.